Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to activate Power Pivot in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to activate Power Pivot in Excel. Steps to activate Power Pivot in Excel sheet. Power Pivot is a data modeling technique that lets you create data models, establish relationships, and create calculations. We can work on large data sets, build extensive relationships, and create complex, or simple, calculations using this Power Pivot tool. So, to enable Power Pivot in Excel from Microsoft 365, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Then click the Options category at the left side of the Backstage view to open the Excel Options window. Then click the Advanced category at the left side of the Excel Options window. Now scroll and search Data option. Under the Data Options section, check the Enable Data Analysis Add-ins, Power Pivot and 3D Maps checkbox. Then click the OK button in the lower right corner of the Excel Options window. To then view the commands for Power Pivot in Excel, click the new Power Pivot tab that appears in the ribbon. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to activate Power Pivot in Excel in easy steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.